like that other beat before this. That was dope. That was dope. Let's save it. What they do, y'all? Make sure when y'all hop in here, y'all hit that like button. What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Let me fix my mic. Alright, let's share this. We is live, baby. It's wonderful Wednesday, man. How y'all feeling this morning? I can put this on. Alright, we got that set up. Tales of the cryptos, what it do, man? Here I come, making a few more changes on this end. About to get into the news here. All right, man, we got a lot of stuff going on, man, inside the crypto space this morning, man. We got a lot of different altcoins running, a lot of different narratives running, and a lot of different narratives actually starting to hit that peak, hit that top. I do remember Singularity.net up here was up about 800-900% on a month. So we've seen a little bit of pullback from the AI token. So I want you guys to keep that inside in your mind. You feel me? You got to be able to take profits if you are inside the AI narrative. But what I want to talk about, family, is crypto adoption, man, because we're seeing a lot of different plays within the crypto space that's leading us to different adoption. You can see here that MasterCard here, they're working on tokenization, right? Replacing the 16-digit number on your plastic credit card for super secure, unique digital records for every transaction without leaving behind your identity and form of credit card. And I just think this right here, this could be possibly huge. They say MasterCard is working with banks, merchants to tokenize a variety of different assets. So yeah, we're seeing a lot of different things from from adoption and tokenization here. Larry Fink chief executive of BlackRock, he was just speaking at the Deal Book conference, and he said the next generation for markets, the next generation for securities will be tokenization. So I always use the example of watches. You feel me? Everybody loves watches. You know, people love Pateks, Rolex, all type of different watches. Just imagine, family, things like watches, the watch industry moving to tokenization. So instead of having to buy a full watch, you can buy a fraction or a piece of a watch as it's tokenized. And we're talking about Rolex watches. You feel me? Watch. If you didn't know, the watch industry is a very, very popular industry. Very popular industry. All right, here. Very popular industry. Make sure it's still live here. All right. Hold on. What happened to my music? Hold on, y'all. I gotta go back. My music just went off. Do y'all hear the music, or did the music just go off? We gotta go get that music back, man. What happened to my music? My music just gonna cut off like that? Did I tell y'all to cut off? All right, let's go back. Okay. So yeah. So what were we talking about? Tokenization. Now, we did also see here that India and Algorand, they just got a partnership. All right. So Algorand intends to take India Web3 into the educational system. Therefore, the foundation has collaborated with can't pronounce this word, Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University and the Indian School of Business. So I know a lot of people was talking about how Algorand wasn't really moving. They're seeing a lot of partnerships with stuff like Hbar, Quant. This is a legit partnership, man. And if you don't know about the Indian economy, it's really been pushing crypto. Even though I hear if you're in India that you get super taxed on your crypto, but again, the economy has been pushing cryptocurrency. It says Algorand has joined hands with T-Hub, India's top innovation hub, with 600 plus corporate partners, including Intel, AWS, Boeing, Meta, Microsoft, and Cisco, among others. So yeah, Algorand really making moves, man, really making moves. And this per se is going back to the crypto adoption. Yesterday, a bomb was dropped. Tech giant Dell joins the Hbar distributed ledger platform. I made a video about this, family. We just seen another tech giant, right, join the Hbar Council, not only boasting IBM, Google, LG Electronics, Ubisoft, and even Boeing. We just talked about how BlackRock is talking about tokenization, and I did videos on how BlackRock's portfolio is full of these companies. So in the midst of all of the per se negativity, contagion within the market, we're still seeing Fortune 500 companies take their steps into the crypto space. Fortune 500 companies. So again, making moves. Hey, y'all, let me know what type of altcoins y'all looking at. Keep an eye on Harvest Finance. Yeah, I'm familiar with Farm, man. I know a lot of people talk about Farm. Tales from the Crypto says better get those Doge coins up. Elon is preparing to use Neuralink on the first human in June. It's being tested on monkeys now. That's wild. That is wild, man. That is definitely wild. But you know, it just is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? We're moving on to a different type of we're moving on to a different type of world, man, where we just seen AI, artificial intelligence, literally family, take over the world as far as the crypto space within the last week. All off the news of ChatGPT. In fact, ChatGPT did so good, right, that Google said we got to make a ChatGPT. You feel me? So I believe that the narrative is still early, but at the end of the day, man, you're seeing so much moves in the crypto space as far as adoption from major institutions, major companies where everybody, each and every day, if you look around your room, look around wherever you're at right now, I guarantee you those companies have something to do with something that's sitting inside your room. And you're seeing these companies join the crypto space in the midst of a bear market crypto winter. They didn't do this. They wasn't making none of these moves during the bull run. They're making all these moves now during the crypto winter. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, man. Now, I did see some Tectonic news here. I want to actually get into that Tectonic news. So, ZG-O-Matic, shout out to my Tonic fam. Let me know if this is correct, but the vaults were updated, as you can see right here on the screen. 6 months, the APR, 12 months, the APR, 24 months, and the 48 months APR. So, I want to know what you guys think about the changes with the APR and the vaults here. I made a video about it. And I told y'all that when you look at the Tectonic TVL, and actually let me pull it up here. See if I can pull it up here. We can look at the Tectonic TVL, right? $123 million, right? And you compare it to the market cap here, and you see I got this project Scallop here, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta join the Patreon, man, and see what I'm working on. We're working on some things, and I'm gonna be talking about a new narrative that I think will be next. Shout out to my boy Miles Dusher, man. He be dropping that alpha. We got to start listening to some of the people that's been in the space for a while, man. Take what you gotta take, but you can learn a lot from a lot of experienced people in the crypto space. But Tectonic here is sitting at a $23 million market cap. We see the TVL literally over $100 million more, family. So I'm interested to see what type of rewards that they're going to offer and what type of developments happen in the ecosystems. I'm so tired of people coming inside my comments talking about, and this is what they be talking about. Oh, Tectonic has 1 million tokens, all Tectonic this, Tectonic that. You know what I'm saying? These same people didn't say that about Shiba Inu, didn't say that about Dogecoin, which Dogecoin mints tokens, I believe, almost every day. Didn't say that this about Floki or some of your favorite meme coins that have no utility. We're talking about a popular project here that has a legit utility, which is staking, which is lending, which is borrowing. So, you know, if you want to compare this to a meme coin, I get it. But as far as like total narrative about Tectonic, I feel like it's more of a utility token, and it's a popular utility token. We've seen the type of runs that popular utility tokens can have. We actually seen a significant run from Terra Luna, if you want to compare it to Terra Luna Classic. And I believe the Tectonic community is building in a similar fashion as far as popularity, similar to Tectonic. But the difference is, family, we actually have true leaders in Tectonic. You feel me? Tectonic actually has true leadership. So it's not like everybody running around with their heads cut off trying to figure it out. Tectonic has utility, has leadership. You see that they know where they want to go as far as direction. They did it with the Tectonic Ambassador program. You know what I'm saying? They could have picked some of these huge influencers. They picked who they picked, so they have a direction that they're working on taking this project, and I'm just interested to see how it goes and how it blows up. And people not talking about, family, how it's been holding this 6021 level. Very, very good. Very, very good, right? Very, very good. So even if we go to the 7 days, we're in the downtrend. People starting to, you know, take profits or do whatever they do. But look at it from the month. Very, very, very stable charts here on the month. So I don't know why people be so tough on Tectonic inside the comments, man. They be real tough on Tectonic in the comments. I wonder about that. Is it the tokenomics? Maybe it's the tokenomics. Y'all let me know. Let's get to some of these comments here. True King says, keep an eye on Harvest Finance. All right, so Bitcoin looks like it wants to take a little dumpity dump. Anyway, man, how y'all shaking on the Wednesday, man? How y'all shaking on the Wednesday? If y'all got some altcoins y'all want me to cover, also let me know some altcoins you guys looking at as far as narrative. Now, I was watching a video, shout out to my boys Miles Dusher, man. I was watching a video on crypto narratives, and he was saying how the next crypto narrative could be data storage. And speaking of data storage, I know I brought this project on the channel a while ago, family. And look at it right now, Crust Network. We got into Crust Network at 56 cents, somewhere around 56 cents. Right now, family, it's $2.24. And we're seeing the data storage narrative run next. So if you were looking for a data storage project, right, that didn't run yet, but you was interested, you was like, Millie, you know what I'm saying? If data storage is going to be the next narrative, where can I park my money to see some pretty good gains to take advantage of the narrative? So if y'all don't know, if you're new to the channel, I have a HODL bag or a HODL blue chip portfolio, stuff like Hbar, the Quants, the Dagalamars, Near protocols, etc., etc. But I also have a DGen portfolio where I pull off swing trades. Now, I've been holding Crust for a while because I noticed that Crust all-time high was about 154, right? And at the time it was 56 cents. And I did the calculation. I can't remember what number it was. It was like a 175x or some 154x or something crazy like that, right? And I was like, you know what? I'm taking a flyer on Crust Network. What kind of like sparked my interest was the volume, family. When I looked at the volume was literally rivaling File Network, AR Weave, and I said, there's no way. This was before anybody. This was before Crust Network came out and dropped that ecosystem picture where they dropped so many different partnerships. This is just before I knew all of that. I was like, you know what? I was looking for data storage projects, and something about Crust had sparked my interest, and I noticed that it was part of the Polkadot ecosystem, that whole parachain. And I seen so many other Polkadot projects was down, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take a flyer on Crust Network. One of the best decisions, and that was at 56 cents. Right now, it's sitting at $2.24, man. So it is what it is. It is what it is, man. Thoughts on AVAX? All right, let me check out AVAX here. Thoughts on AVAX. But yeah, I think the next narrative, actually I agree with Miles Dusher. I think that the next narrative to run is data storage, like cloud computing, somewhere in the midst of the AI and cloud computing narrative. I think that's the next narrative to actually run. Avalanche. So we're seeing Avalanche. It's a $6 billion market cap. For me, this would be like a HODL portfolio type of project, something that I would be willing to hold for long term because the market cap is so high. Projects like this, I know, like, either you got to put up a substantial amount, you know what I mean, or you got to hold for a long time. You can see here that the all-time high for AVAX was around what's that, $134. So it's literally 20 bucks. It's definitely still in the accumulation stage right here. It already done 2x. The circulating supply is sitting at 44% of the max supply, which is 720 million, and the volume is literally, family, skyrocketing. I feel like AVAX is one of those chains that's gonna do good, man. You feel me? But you got to put up substantial amount if you're talking about, you know what I'm saying, one of those projects. If you be like, oh, I want to become a millionaire, you got to put up substantial amount. 20x to, you know, you can get, I think it could easily 10x from here. $64 billion market cap. I think that's realistic. I feel like that's definitely realistic. I bought in when it was $10. Well, then you up 2x, man. Salute to you, brother. Shout out to you, Nate. You up 2x right now, man. You bought it up $10, man. I think that this project can realistically go to a $64 billion to $100 billion market cap. So that's what I'm saying. Like with blue chips, there's still opportunity with blue chips. Like, don't get my words mixed up. I know I say some of these projects have high market caps, but if you're playing with $1,000, $2,000, you know what I'm saying, and you 10x or 50x your money, that's still good profit. Okay. And Avalanche is a trusted project. It's one that's been around for years. Some of my favorite layer ones are like Hbar, Hashgraph, Near Protocol. I've seen Cardano actually running. Cardano was actually running. I know Cardano is one of those projects that have a huge fan base, family, like a huge fan base. See on the 3 months. So yeah, if you bought these projects, man, like 3 months ago when everybody was running, everybody was like, man, scared. It was max fear. We seen the FUD at what it was like fear and greed index 25. Like you're definitely up. And you gotta kind of like make that decision right now in your head. You gotta be like, okay, so is this a relief rally or is this a official bull run? That's the decision we gotta make when you're up like that. And we're kind of like in uncharted waters, man, because this macro environment. You can see here that the DXY did jump a little bit, but it kind of topped out here, and that's still a lower high. So you can technically say that the DXY still is in a downtrend because that's still a lower high. Even though a lot of people think like, oh, the DXY could possibly go back up and create a double top, which could be possible, but it's like, you know, it's so many people that don't want the bull run to actually start right now. They want it to actually give it a few more months so you can accumulate. It's just crazy. Did y'all see that Powell meet, man? Powell was so, this is the most I've ever seen Jerome Powell so euphoric and happy. It's like, you know what I'm saying, everybody's happy. Inflation is going down. Stock market ripping. Everybody's happy right now. You could tell in that last meeting that he had that his stress level was, his demeanor was a whole lot different from the previous FOMC meeting. So that was just crazy. He never been that open and open to jokes and it was just like a comedy show. But it was good to see him like not so uptight like he usually be. You know what I'm saying? So that's I guess the crypto market, they got bullish just off his they got bullish just on his mannerisms up there. But we're gonna keep an eye on this DXY, man. We're definitely gonna keep an eye on this DXY because last time we were under the 100-day EMA, it was for 445 days. So I know I kind of like shoved this down y'all throat, but it's very, very important metric here when trying to graze the sentiment of the crypto space. But it's hump day, man. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. The last day of the first half of the working week going into Thursday. Usually your Wednesday sets the tone for your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Let me know in the chat, man, how you guys are doing on a Wednesday. Let me know. Those who like Chronos would love meth. 99% down. I couldn't hold on to all. I bought real life. Hit me hard past month. Yeah, dad gamer. I ain't seen you in a while, man. How you been, man? It's good to have you back. Shout out to you, Bullish E Money. It's good to have y'all back, man. Now, speaking of that, speaking of Chronos, y'all, I gotta bring y'all a gem. And this is not actually a gem. This is actually something that's been around, but I don't think a lot of people yet are hip to this project. Now, notice I do have the 200-day moving average here, but family, I think DexTools is going to be huge. If you don't know, your boy Millie is a super DJ, okay? Like, even though I talk about a lot of these blue chips on my YouTube page, get part of the Patreon, and you know, family, that I'm a super DJ, okay? I am definitely a super DJ. Now, check this out. This is DexTools, all right? Look how healthy this DexTools chart. It's never been in the red, family. It's never been in the red. So I know a lot of people, when they pick these exchange tokens, they looking at Cronus, BNB, LCX. And we seen LCX literally go on a run for being compliant. And even Dex is like Uniswap, PancakeSwap. I get it. My Dex pick is DexTools. And this is why. Just look at every one of your favorite YouTubers right now. Just look at every one of your favorite YouTubers. Everybody use DexTools. Traders use DexTools. Whales use DexTools. Super Degen use DexTools. Any and everybody uses DexTools. It's sitting at 22% right now. 22 cents. The all-time high of DexTools was like what? 85 cents. And I think, just based off these tokenomics, you seeing a max supply of 200 million. I think DexTools can, if it really blow up, like how I really believe that it can blow up. Only 12,000 people on a watch list. Why are not? My thing is, it's kind of like if you wear Jordans, right? Why don't you buy Nike stock? If you have a Apple Watch, why don't you buy Apple stock? You get what I'm saying? So I use DexTools. I consistently use DexTools. So I've bought into the company, the DexTools company. I've invested into it. That's my way of thinking with DexTools, and I think it's gonna be huge. 90,000 people on a watch list. I'm gonna put this in my Patreon because if you look at this 200-day moving average, it's not really that much above it. I like to accumulate when it's under. But let me show y'all an example of a project that's way over its 200-day moving average here. All right, let's go to Airy. So let's go to AI right here, right? Look how far above. Now, and this is a good project. This is a good AI project. I know it's a lot of bullshit out there, but this is a good AI project. Look how far above the 200-day moving average AR right is. Right, and when you see it get that far, people start to take profits. Family, we are in a crypto winter. We are in a bear market. It's okay, family, to take profits. I mean, understand that. That's what you got to do. So if we swing back over here to DexTools, DexTools hasn't literally had its run yet. It only 2x'd. But the thing is, family, everybody uses DexTools. It literally, the use cases is right before our eyes. But so many people focus on PancakeSwap, which I think is a good project because everybody uses PancakeSwap. But DexTools is like the nucleus. Like it's I can't explain it, man. You feel me? I just think this is gonna be a bullish project as far as the price moves it can make, and the fact that everybody uses these crypto tools. And it's popular. It's not a bullshit website. It's literally popular. So not financial advice, but that's definitely something that I'm looking into. Let's get some of these comments here. Crow ID. Bruh, I was so bearish waiting on OP to drop lower. It was 88 cents and now it's $3. Yes, man. Layer 2s went crazy. And this is what I'm talking about. This is why Shibarium is gonna be the gateway crypto. Like, everybody knows about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is mad popular. Okay, we get it. Shiba Inu is popular. But once people start using the layer 2 Shibarium and it heats up, it's literally gonna set fire to the rest of the meme coins. You know what I'm saying? So you can hate off meme coins, man, but I think meme coins still have a place in the crypto space. Where do I get DexTools from? All right, let's swing back over here to DexTools. You can see DexTools. I believe DexTools has so I bought DexTools on BNB using my Trust wallet. DexTools, but you can use it has an Ethereum chain too. Also, family, pay attention to these projects that have many chains. All right, I'm about to put y'all on another sleeper. All right, I'm about to put y'all on another sleeper. But you can get a DexTools from PancakeSwap, using your Trust wallet, swapping BNB for your DexTools. This project is going, look, man. Right now, this project is, the lows was 10 cent, so it only 2x, family. It only 2x, right? It only 2x from here, family. DexTools, man. You do the math. It's only 22 cent. 89 cent was the high. I think it goes higher than 89 cent. I just do based off these tokenomics. Max supply over 200 million. We've seen projects with a max supply of 200 million go to $4 to $5, family. I don't think DexTools legit had its run yet. Everybody uses DexTools. These are the type of projects you wanna get into. Everybody uses DexTools. All right. Now, I'm a very diverse guy. Plus, I do swing trading. Okay, so understand that my point of view is a little different from other people's point of view. A lot of YouTubers tell you to get up here and hodl. They tell you to focus on one project. They'll Terra Luna Classic you to death. You know what I'm saying? I'm not that guy. I can't do that to the community, because I know that the crypto space it's like if you were it's like if you was in a galaxy floating in space. It's just so many different things, and if you just have a narrow-sighted mindset, you'll miss out on a lot of different opportunities. It boils my skin, man, when I know these YouTubers get up here and they tell you to, it boils my skin, because what they don't tell you is that they got the big ones, right? They got cash, they got bags on top of bags, so their risk tolerance is a little bit different. They can afford to put 1,000, 2,000 in large caps, right? They can afford to do that and still see a substantial account. If you're putting $10,000 in a large cap and it 10x, that's still a good game. But guess what, family? I understand that everybody on my channel, they may not have 10,000 to put out. You feel me? So I do the research, right? And I find small micro caps in my spare time. That's what I like to do. It's become a hobby for me. Because as I'm starting to swing trade, I'm winning more trades. Like, I really won the AI narrative here. With Singularity DAO, I put a substantial amount in a Singularity DAO when it was like what's 29, 30 cents, somewhere around there, and it went all the way up to $1.43 when it peaked. Right now we're seeing a little bit of pullback, so we're definitely seeing a little bit of pullback with the AI tokens. They've been running some of these AI tokens then 30x 40x in a crypto winter, in a bear market, all in a week, family, because of news with Chat GPT. So I know it's crazy. We got gaming tokens too. I know Illuvium is one of those gaming tokens that's been going crazy. But let me put y'all on another small cap gem that I'm looking at here. I can't show y'all that one. If I show y'all that one, you'll see that I'm a super degen. Even though I'm up, you can see baby Aptos, but I wouldn't recommend that. Okay, so here we go. Aleph, all right. So if you wanted to find something that was in the what could I call this? AI data storage, cloud computing. I feel like this project right here has potential to run. Now you see under the 200 moving day average, family, all right? This is when you want to buy the projects. You don't want to buy them after they cross that line. Unless we are in a bull market confirmed, then it doesn't even matter if it crossed that line. They're just going to keep running and running. So under the 2-day moving average here. Now, this project could not pump at all, but I'm gonna tell you why it could possibly pump here. So let's go to Aleph on coin market cap here. All right, so I like to go check out the mineable Cosmo ecosystem, distributed computing, file sharing. All right, if we're thinking that file sharing is going to be the next narrative to run, if you want to make a quick swing trade, so what I'm planning on doing is making a swing trade into file sharing. Right. All right, 33,000 followers, still active, still active. This is how I pretty much do my swing trading, y'all. Still active. 21 hours ago. Amazing to see Aleph open source indexing framework. What do we know about indexing? We just seen the graph protocol, the graph and graph link protocol run off the narrative of indexing. Okay, so this is data storage. Now let's swing over here to the website, family. I want to show you guys something. So I don't think this project has even ran yet. All right, so we're here. Cloud computing for DeFi and Web3 simplified. Allow your blockchain enable app to securely access trusted off-chain data or computation within a couple lines of code. And you can see here, right there in the nucleus is aleph.im. They are inoperable with the Binance chain, Cosmos, Avalanche, Polkadot, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, blockchain, agnostics. All right, so a lot going on here with this project, right, family? And you can see here, if we zoom out, it hasn't even run yet. Zoom out, it hasn't even run yet. All-time highs here were around January of 12th of last year. It hit 82 cents. Right now it's sitting at 7 cents. And this is a narrative, right, that hasn't even run yet. This is a project within the narrative that hasn't even run yet. Now we've seen graph run. We go rock over here to the graph. You want to compare it to something like the graph. We're seeing the graph make moves. We're seeing Crust Network here make moves up 26%. So we're seeing moves in the cloud storage data computing narrative. All right, so just a quick narrative I want to put you guys on. I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more that I've been looking at, doing a lot of research on. I like Trios token too, but this is one of the AI tokens, so we're not going to talk about this one because we know a lot of people on YouTube, they're talking about the AI token. So Scallop here. All right, this is another project I'm extremely bullish on, right? So y'all know I love compliant tokens, I love regulation tokens, but what if you could find a regulated token, right? A regulated token before it blew up. People found LCX before it blew up. There were people who found Quant before it blew up. All right, so this is another narrative I feel like is going to run. I invested into Scallop. Full transparency, I am invested into this project. You can see here, key banking app features. The future of banking is here. All right, now what caught my attention, right? Regulated low fee banking blockchain. Scallop chain is blazingly fast Byzantine fault tolerance blockchain with a core KYC and AML model included in the consensus mechanism at the protocol level. It's the world's first licensed family secure infrastructure providing a suite of banking products to empower millions of retail and business customers. Scallop chain uses ZK rollups and offers selective asset privacy features on the chain. So do your research on Scallop chain, man. Ultra fast. Ensure this account Scallop has you covered. Your account is secured. All right, so this is only a $15 million market cap. I remember when I was talking about LCX when it was a $30 million market cap, and then it ran to a $100 million market cap. Tokenomics not that bad. Circulating supply 50% of the 100 million. So we know this project right here, if it's got 100 million max supply, this thing can hit $5 to $10 easily. If people use the use case, remember that people got to use the use case. I like to check out the white papers too, man. It's really important that you guys, when you're doing this type of research, that you check out your white papers. Okay, right? Check out the white papers. See if they make complete sentences. See if they misspell any words. That's very important when investing into these small caps. You feel me? But Yeah, if they deliver, right? Scallop operates within the provisions defined by the e-money licensing regulation for UK and the EU in accordance with electronic money regulations. This is a sleeper, y'all. You feel me? This is a sleeper, right? So you want projects before they actually get those listings. All right, so don't say I ain't never give y'all no sleepers on the YouTube, because I always be talking about my I always be talking about the blue chips and stuff, man. But that's what the algorithms want. And I want to protect the customers, because with some of these small cap, micro caps, I don't win every trade. I get wrecked sometimes, all right? I'm a human. I get wrecked as well. So here we have, let's see the last time they posted something significant. All right, 4 hours ago. Next on Scallop Exchange, February, futures is near protocol. So looks like they got some type of partnership here going with near protocol. So yeah, y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's just doing your research, man, and understanding what's going on in the crypto space, man. You feel me? Understanding what's going on inside the crypto space. Let's get into some of these comments, see what y'all guys are talking about. This is Dad Gamer on my computer profile. Oh man, Dad Gamer, what do you got? 2 profiles there? I'm confused. Good morning, crypto fan. Hope everybody is good. What up, Fat Mike? What it do? Is anybody holding Ali? Let's check out Ali, man. I know Ali did take a dump this morning, but I'm telling you, man, you supposed to take profits with your artificial intelligence projects. You supposed to take what, 209? So this thing was down at 209, and it literally went all the way up to 8, almost 8 cents. So a lot of people probably 10x, 20x they money right here with Ali. When did you get into Ali, bro? Because that thing went all the way down and then it jumped all the way up. When did you get into Ali? Let me know. Traded all Ali for Swift. Yes, I do have multi-profiles. I game a lot. Ali, let's check out Swift. I don't think I'm familiar with Swift. Let's check it out. Swift Cash. Swift? What is Swift about? Is this the right one? Swift Cash, digital store of value, 100% decentralized lottery, 100% decentralized HODL term deposits. Is this the right one? Decentralized lotteries and long-term deposits. Swift Cash is a digital store of value and peer-to-peer cryptocurrency with the decentralized governance via masternodes, but also enable instant payments. Swift Cash is a more simple alternative to Bitcoin or Dash. Users can play cheat-proof lotteries that run fully on a blockchain with as little as 201 Swift, or open long-term deposits in blockchain between 1 to 12 months, also known as HODL deposits. I would have to do more research on this, man. Swift Cash seems pretty interesting. Never heard of that one, gamer. You might have put me onto something. I'm gonna have to check that one out. Swift Coin is on Coinbase. It's Swift Coin. All right, I said it wrong. My apologies. My bad, bro. My bad. Swift Coin. Swift Coin. Why is it not pulling up? Man, is it Sweat Coin or Swift Coin, man? I don't see it. It must be something different. Swift coin on Coinbase. I don't see any Swift coin, bro. It's no Swift coin. Are you talking about Sweat coin? Sweat coin? I don't know. Yeah, it's not pulling up here on Coin Market Cap either. Swift coin. If it's on Coinbase, then it should pull up on Coin Market Cap. I believe that Swift Cash is the same, but the Swift coin in the traded assets. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to just put take a flyer on that one, because these are the only Swifts that's pulling up, good brother. So it had to be Swift Cash. I don't know. I never heard of that project. I have to do more research about it. What other ones y'all got? Let me know in the chat. What other altcoins that y'all have been looking at? Let's swing over here and see how. Let's see how the meme coins are doing. Any meme coins that y'all been looking at? Let me know in the chat. Elon up 4% on the day. I know Vote Inu was running. Shout out to the Vote Inu gang in the chat. Up 9%. Let's see how Baby Doge is doing. Up 7% on the day. So yeah, meme coins is running, man. Meme coins is running. Let me check out the traditional market and see how it opened up here. Like S&P looks like it wants to go into green here. Oh, we still getting a run on the DXY. Let's check the DXY. DXY looked like it put in a lower high here and looks like it wants to go back down. So that could be kind of bullish for the crypto space here. Macro environment looking nice, y'all. Macro looking nice. The crypto crowd is piling into AI stocks. Hey, everybody talking about AI, man. Artificial intelligence literally has taken over the world in the last month. SEC says monitoring advisors shilling crypto a top priority in 2023. It will be examining crypto brokers and advisors to ensure adequate risk management and standards of care. When do we get regulation? When are we getting regulation? What you guys think? When are we finally gonna get regulation? UK crypto firms regulated blame each other. Let's check out let's see how LCX is doing. I haven't checked that out in a while. Sitting at 11 cents. Last 3 months. LCX pumped from 3 cents. Alright. I like to check out let's check out Morpheus. I gave y'all my super Degen play, so now I'm just looking at some of my blue chip projects. Morpheus took a dump, but it's been running for the last 3 months, all the way from under $1. Probably was a very, very good buy under $1. Shout out to Morpheus Network. Let's check out Illuvium. I know Illuvium and VRA been literally going parabolic. Crypto gaming is the future, man. Talk about gateway to crypto, man. Crypto gaming. It's like buying Quant at $40. Illuvium like buying Quant at $40, man. It's literally going parabolic. Let me know in the chat if you got some gaming crypto projects, man. Alluvium here. Anything been going on with Alluvium? That's why that. Oh, shout out to the like and subscribe. Appreciate ya. That's why I think that project AI Right is going to be huge, man. AI Right, I think it's going to be huge, man, because everybody's using NFTs, right? Did you see that? Did you see that clip on Miles Dusher channel when the guy was saying how Ethereum, right? Ethereum could turn into a country. That was alpha. Like, nobody looks at it like that. Like, crypto could get so huge to where a community, right? A crypto community, right, could become a country. Literally, family, we're at 4%, right? That's insane how a crypto community could get so huge where it could become a country. Can you imagine Ethereum becoming a country? Can you imagine the market caps of cryptos with that type of community? That was insane. That was insane. All right, so let's check out another metaverse play that I think that could possibly run and may have bottomed out. Crest Network just been a demon out here, man. So I do have my questions about Realm, but I think that not this Realm. This is not what I'm looking for. Wrong Realm, y'all. Here we go. This is the Realm that I'm looking for. So now I have my questions about Realm because I know, you know, when I look over a project, right, I go check out the buys and the sales, and I really hate projects that have bots. But some of the biggest and best projects have bots, so I wouldn't want that to be the reason why you miss out on opportunities. But you know, it's like when you do a swing trading, it's like your opposition, your ops is the bots. I hate projects with a lot of bots. But outside of that, right, what we're seeing with Realm, right, we're seeing some developments inside the mobile metaverse here. I think that this project, family, if put in front of the right people, I feel like this project could be huge. This is I believe the first mobile metaverse where you can actually jump into the metaverse on your phone here. So I've been keeping my eye out on this project. I'm not yet invested, but I've definitely been keeping my eye out on this project. I noticed that it may have bottomed here because we're seeing this accumulation, but then we've seen a sharp move to the upside within the last days, literally from 1 cent here to almost 2 pennies at one point. And I don't know if it's ready yet to pump because I know the metaverse is still early and there's a lot of different metaverse plays, but there's none like Realm here. Realm is a metaverse, a mobile metaverse. You just see what they posted. 11 hours, something strange is brewing in the virtual world of Realm. Whispers of intelligent beings are spreading like wildfire. So maybe they got something coming over here with AI. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye out on Realm. I just want to bring that on the channel to you guys. I'm gonna keep my eye out on Realm. Portals to infinite possibilities, transporting to Metropolis, become who you want to be, connect with others, discover quests, jump through portals to explore infinite realms built by the creators around the world. This could be interesting. As people move to the metaverse, and artificial intelligence and all these different narratives heat up, this could be one of those projects that become a winner. $6 million market cap. Still small cap. 41% circulating supply here of the max supply. So yeah, I really be really searching these narratives, really researching these narratives, and then I want something in the metaverse. If I'm gonna invest into a metaverse project, I want to get something that's gonna stick, family. So I'm very interested in what Realm has to offer here. Not yet invested. Don't know what I'm waiting for. Don't know what I'm waiting for. Let's see if we are under the 200-day moving average. How far we are over or under. check realm here on the day. All right. Let's see. Zoom in. Seems like we right there, family. Ooh, this could be an interesting play. We're right there at the 200-day moving average. So what I'll be looking at for realm, I'll be looking for an entry point. No cap. No cap. If we can get a retest here and a confirmation that we're above this 200-day moving average on the daily, I think we could possibly see maybe 6 or 7 red candles. Maybe 6 or 7 red candles. But I want to make sure that we are confirmed over the 200-day, and I'll have to see how Bitcoin and Ethereum do. So Bitcoin, yeah, dumping off again, man. Very volatile. You can see here Ethereum doing the same thing. A lot of people made profits in the last 3 months, man. You got to understand that we are in a crypto winter, man. We are in a macro environment. We are in quantitative tighten. Nothing goes up forever. But understanding these narratives and what's next is how you position yourself for the next parabolic runs. Have a diverse portfolio. Even if you want to just say, okay, I want to go one sector. I would never just go one sector. I know a lot of people say, well, if I'm going to diversify in a plethora of meme coins, which is cool because I think that you could probably win with that type of strategy, because I know meme coins are very, very, very aggressive as far as price appreciation when we're in a bull run. But if we're not in a bull run, you can get totally fucking wrecked. So I want you guys to definitely keep that in mind. So we got to understand what's the new narratives right now in the crypto winter. What's been the narrative in the crypto winter? I'll tell you what's been the narrative. Layer 2s, right? Optimism. We've seen that. AI, artificial intelligence, right? AI, artificial intelligence. Cloud computing, data storage. All right. What's next? What is next to run? Let me know in the chat. What's good, Emmy Crow? What it do? Swiftcoin is used to trade Bitcoin for ETH and is the currency used in the trading fees for the trade on the ETH chain. Interesting. Digimon Rabbit cartooning game. It's a game changer. Don't make me look this up, James, and it be some whack shit, man. Come on now. What did you say the name of the game was? Digimon Rabbit. Digimon Rabbit. Digimon Rabbit. It's one of those BNB tokens. Chart already looking kind of suspect. I don't know what to think about this, man. It has such a bad start that I'm just confused. This token had a bad start, but it started to heat up. We're seeing the volume up 196%. The market cap is 6 million. The fully diluted market cap is 6 million, so not that much dilution here. And the self-circulating supply is 100% of the max supply. All right, so all good right there, right? All good. Swing over here to the Twitter and see if these guys are actually active. Appreciate the subscribe. 20,000 holders, the most powerful meme tokens next Sheeb. So they saying they're the next Sheeb. Digimon Rabbit is the most outstanding meme of Digimon Adventures series. This is the first attempt of the digital monster NFT art. I used to watch this TV show when I was a kid. I used to watch Digimon and Pokemon, man. Let me know in the chat if you used to watch Digimon. I'll follow them. I wonder when you kind of like use, I wonder with these cryptocurrencies, and y'all let me know in the comments if when they use these animes, right? Do they gotta pay for the licenses or the arts? They're making NFTs. I know Luffy has one. They got the Super Saiyan ERC20 token. So many different animes. What else anime? Saitama did pretty well, but I think something happened with Saitama where they had to actually change their logo from that the dude with the wolf head. So I wonder how it works with these Digimon NFTs. Or maybe this is official Digimon making a cryptocurrency. Join September 22. So this is a new project. Let's check out the website, man. Digimon Rabbit. Alright, let's go to the white paper. Digimon Rabbit, the first digital meme coin officially and uniquely authorized by the Digital Baby. Unique digital monster theme, next generation Web3 Digimon world, rich Digimon series NFT, Digimon NFT exchange, and Digimon Rabbit financial tools launched simultaneously. I will say this website is a lot. They have a lot going on. It's like sometimes it's good to just be minimalist. It's a lot going on. I would have to take my time and actually research this. But it's up 19% on the day, man. So 4,000 people on the watch list. I don't know, man. I don't know what to think about this project. I can't really give you I don't have an opinion on this project. What else y'all got? Zebek. What is your opinion of AI coins like Fetch and Graph Pump Labs? Yeah, man, I've been up on the AI coins, Gary. Like I actually I won a few swing trades with AI. So I won my swing trade with the SDAO. I think we took profits up here around $1.29. We put a good amount at about 29 cents. And we took profits up here about $1.29. But this is the thing about what a project like Singularity DAO, like what was, I didn't take all my profits. I just took my initial investment. And I'm looking to redeploy it into maybe other artificial intelligence tokens. But this is the thing, man. This is just the beginning for AI. So you don't want to go straight all in, because these projects that are here now might not be here later. And most people that I've been watching, they have said that you need to wait for the second AI wave to see kind of like the projects that are real and the projects that are just following the artificial intelligence narrative. But there's definitely a money to be made. We seen what Graph Link Protocol. What else did we won profits here on Ari AI right token. So we won profits here. And I'm actually big on this project long term if they can pull off some of the things that they say they can pull off. If we swing over here to the website, I like what they're working on. We just seen with the Digimon project that they were all about NFTs. AI Right is an AI based NFT authenticity verifying service. So with all the fraud and people trying to steal your NFTs and people try to just copy and paste your JPEG and put it up, now we have a company, a project here using AI Oracle smart contract off-chain data to actually make sure your NFT is authentic, so nobody can sell you a fake NFT and nobody can actually use your personal NFT. And if you know about NFTs, man, it could possibly be the future when it comes to going to sports games like basketball games, football games. You'll be able to use NFTs. Digital ID, your ID is going to be an NFT. Ownership, we've seen it with land, real estate. So NFTs is about to be huge, family. It's gonna be huge. So we took profits here with AI Right, but we still got our initial investment. Exclude the Super DJ play. We're also looking at cloud computing and data storage. What's another AI project I took profits on? I don't even have it pulled up here, but we also won our trade here with Array Chain. I think it went all the way up to like $11 at one point. We got in right under the 200-day moving average. We took profits there. So we won a lot of our artificial intelligence trades. Some of the projects I fully sold, the ones that I weren't convicted long term, and other ones I just kept my initial took my profits and kept my initial investment and looking to build long time. Like Singularity DAO, I'm long term in artificial intelligence, AI right. I'm also long term. Thank you, checking it out. FWFTC is the ticker. And so Zebek, we're gonna do Zebek first. Let's check out Zebek here. Zebek, I used to hold Zebek back in the day and got wrecked. Let me tell y'all a story about Zebek. I did a video on Zebek when it first got listed on crypto.com, and I literally got wrecked. Yeah, and it was the old protocol. It wasn't even this smart contract. I bought before they even switched contracts with Zebek. I don't know. The owner is a young guy. But something happened with Zebek, man. It's built on Solana. You got to just be careful with Solana and SBF FTX connections. I don't know. I told you, like I held Zebek when it first got listed on crypto.com. Before I knew what I knew now. And I got absolutely wrecked. And this was the old contract, so I'm not even gonna speak too much on Zebek. It has a good utility. I believe it's like a wallet where, you know, a secure wallet where you got like an extra secure wallet here. But I don't got too much to say about Zebek. SWFTC is the ticker to look up on CoinMarketCap. All right, SWFTC. Let's check that out. SWFTC. Swiftcoin. It has no I in it. That's why we couldn't find it, gamer. Swiftcoin. All right, let's check it out here. Market cap 5 million. 10 billion max tokens. The circulating supply is 40%. Not bad. Swing over here to Ethereum and check out some of the wallet addresses. All right, we're seeing a little gradual increase there on the holders. OKX holds a big bag. And then we got this wallet here that holds 13%. Let's check this wallet out. I don't want to copy that. I'm sorry. I'm going to check out the analytics on this wallet and see what they've been doing. Okay, so they've been accumulating tokens ever since June. That's interesting. Let's check out another wallet here. They've been dumping off since May. Looking like they're trying to get out the token. Alright. A little bit of centralized exchange volume, a little bit of DEX volume. Like to see that. Multiple contracts. Alright, so we can get a little bit of volume. We love to see that. Alright, let's check out the all-time charts here. Now, when you see charts like this, man, you know, you can't automatically assume that it's a bad token. I've seen charts like this that actually ripped. You know what I mean? We've seen a chart like this from Tectonic, and it literally ripped. 201. So we're at that. Let's copy this address here for future. Check out the Twitter. Swift, safe, and secure cross-chain swap on Bitcoin ETH. So now the only Coinbase listed cross it. That's huge. That's huge right there. That is huge. All right, let's see if they okay. Starting to bridge over 400 crypto and 30 networks. I'm gonna have to follow them. I'm intrigued. What can it get to? 4 cents. It's under a penny right now. On BNB. All right, let's take a deeper dive. All right. Yeah, man, you must have knew I was gonna like this project, man. take a deeper dive. Click over here to DexTools. All right, no lock liquidity. I like to see that. 161,000. 14,024 volume. I would like to see a little bit more volume. I want to see more volatility. Market cap 13 million. Total supply only 10 billion and it's sitting under a penny. We're flying right here under the 200 day. Coming off 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Wick. We had a wick and looking for confirmation above the 200 day. Here, zoom in here. The RSI is oversold, so we might get a pullback under. Yo, this might be an interesting project. Let's check out the white paper. I might have to enter this. Ah, no white paper. Come on, man. No white paper. What y'all took the white paper down? What's wrong with y'all? Come on. I might have to enter this. This might be a play. And it's listed. The thing that actually intrigued me about this, family, is that it's listed on Coinbase. And I love projects, right? That's under a penny. And it's like 201. I think I'm gonna enter. I think I could possibly enter a trade on this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna look into this. I might enter a trade on this, gamer. The utility checks out. It's on Coinbase. And it's right there under the 200-day moving average. If we get bullish momentum from Bitcoin, a utility project like this with such a small market cap could literally go parabolic. At least get me like a good 4 or 5x. I told you I'm a super DJ. See, my guy, he must have knew I was a super DJ. Yeah, I'm gonna check that out, man. I gotta check that out. That was a good one. Let me check out some of these comments here. That was a good one, man. I bought in before I did full research on the. Do you think Shiba can hit 300 million? What do you think about Dogalon? All right, so let's answer this Shiba. Do you think Shiba Inu can hit the 3,000 level? What do you mean? Shiba Inu. Yeah, I think Shiba Inu is going to be a gateway project, man. If they deliver with this Shibarium and it becomes the layer 2 people think that it will become, and it gets the volume people think that it will get, and we start seeing a tremendous amount of Shiba Inu tokens getting burnt, I do think a lot of newbies will flock to Shiba Inu. I think Shiba Inu could be huge for newbies. It's like a gateway crypto. I just don't think it's the project that you're going to make these insane gains in unless you're starting with like $10,000, $20,000. The market cap is already sitting at 7 billion. I mean, in order to see something crazy as far as gains, Bitcoin would have to hit like 200,000, 300,000. So if you're planning on holding Shiba Inu for long term, or you put in a substantial amount like 10 grand, 20 grand for short term, that's when I can see you possibly putting yourself and able to turn like, 10, 20 grand into maybe $1 million. And that's maybe because, again, the market cap here is so high, sitting at $7 billion. And they really never gave you the utility to Shiba Inu. In fact, they said, every transaction, of course, is going to be burnt through Shibarium. But the ideal thing would have been to have Shiba Inu used as the utility token and not Bone. I think they dropped the ball with that. They really, really dropped the ball with that. And I think that if they can find a way to kind of like make up for that mishap, then maybe Shiba would have the utility. Of course, it is the full ecosystem. I get it. It's like the whole ecosystem family, but they dropped the ball with that. They were supposed to make the gas and utility fees used for Shiba. I think you might have a little bit more potential with something like Bone or even Leash, because Leash has such a limited supply. I think that project is going to fly. I think the ecosystem projects would probably fly and go parabolic a little bit more than Shiba Inu. And that's unfortunate for the Shiba Inu maxis, because I know y'all love Shiba Inu, man. I know y'all love Shiba Inu. All right. What do you think about Dogalon? All right, let's look at Dogalon. So Dogalon gets slept on, right? And I like Dogalon Mars. I like Dogalon Mars. Y'all know it's my favorite meme coin, right? It's my meme coin that I hold long term. I've been holding Dogalon Mars for a while. What I like about it, family, is that they have multiple contracts here. All right, so they're getting value on Polygon, Solana, BNB, Chronos. I would have liked to see more activity from the developers, but what we're seeing from Methuselah Foundation are name drops. We're seeing Methuselah Foundation name drop in Tag Coinbase, Tag Robinhood. We're seeing Binance over the last 6 to 7 months accumulate Elon tokens. So listings are imminent. This is a very, very popular project, and what exchanges understand is that if they can get their bags up first, which we've seen from so many exchanges, they understand they can make money with Dogalon Mars. That's what it's about. We've seen when Crypto.com first listed it, they put a limit on how much you could buy because they were getting their bags up as well. So I'm extremely bullish on the fundamentals here for Elon. I think the fundamentals is slept on. They also have a off-chain utility that they're working on, like the health protocol. The only thing that bothers people and a lot of people kind of criticize is the Methuselah Foundation holding 43%, and the fact that the token has no burns and there is no clear what's the word I'm looking for? There's no clear narrative in sight that there will be any burns or any type of way to delete some of these tokens. You know, I would like to see some of these tokens get deleted so we can have even more price appreciation, kind of like we're seeing from Baby Doge. Like Baby Doge, they do a lot of burns, and that's why when they pump, you see significant pumps because they're constantly getting more tokens out of the circulation. So whether it be staking, whether it be burning, whatever it may be, I would like to see more development within the ecosystem, because this is a big project. This is the third biggest meme coin out there, and they have tons of liquidity, as you can see from the fully diluted market cap sitting at 400 million. So the liquidity is there. They just got to decide what they want to do with the liquidity, and we'll just have to see. Tectonic dropped 4-year earnings to 18.39 hertz, but still going to invest more. Yeah, they did, man. But if you read the white paper, they said that the changes will help the circulating supply. It will help the price appreciation. And I did a video on that. Go check out that video. Let me go here to this Swift project, because I think this project has a lot of potential. I gotta save that project in my SWFTC. I gotta save that in my trust wallet, because I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on this project. See, man, y'all come up with ideas all the time. I know I got to get more active in the Discord, man, but y'all got to join the Patreon, man. All right, let's see. Let's pull this project up here. FWFTC. FWFT. Swift coin. 2, 3, 4 days. It ran for 4 days. Let's see, are we getting a lot of buys? A couple bot actions. I hate bots. Bots don't let people make money. Y'all let me know some more tokens y'all want me to cover. My bad. I'm marking this trade, y'all. Alright, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin it's just going sideways. It's pumping and dumping. Ethereum the same way. 65. See, all right, I entered that trade. So I just entered that trade. I just entered that trade live. All right, I just entered that trade. We're gonna see how it goes. It's right here, tapping the 200-day. Yeah. So I just entered this trade here, and let me tell y'all what I did. I just put a little bit, right? I put a little bit now, right? If it cross backs under, that's when I'll dip my foot in a little bit more. But this is just me testing it just to make sure I don't miss out on the push above the 200-day. So if it dips under a little bit more, I'll probably accumulate more. I like the fundamentals of this project, and I like that it's listed on Coinbase. It has a utility, and it literally is at that point where it wants to run. So we just have to see how this trade goes. So I just did my first live trade with you guys. Shout out to y'all, man. I'm gonna see how it go. All right. Nothing to worry about with Tectonic, man. Nothing to worry about. I'm telling y'all. Don't be worried. Hey, look, I just got a comment on my YouTube. It said, really, my guy, Flokio, Vault would destroy every meme. Vote Edu, man. Y'all are wild. All right, we got that trade. We entered it. Anything else going on, man? Y'all got anything else? I'm looking to take advantage of these little pullbacks. Ooh, look at that. We seen a little dumpity dump from the crypto market. Make sure when you hop in here, man, you like and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. Where we rolling at? I got an important meeting at 11 a.m. with this marketing company, man. Y'all wish me well. This could be possibly huge for the brand, y'all. Huge for the brand. So y'all wish me well. It's at 11 a.m. It's in 30 minutes. I'm excited. Y'all gotta wish me well, man. Bitcoin, okay, want to pump back up on the 15. Doing a crab walk. Descending wedge on the 1 hour for Ethereum. Might dump a little before we get a pullback to the upside with this. Still market, still green. Coinbase still over $70. That's bullish. On the daily, Coinbase is over the 200 on the daily. Ticker the tether dominance. %6. All right. Still got a lot of money on the sidelines. Going on crypto Twitter. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Twitter too, man. Follow me on Twitter. So guys, we need to hit 1,000 followers, man. Everybody that's in here right now, go follow me on Twitter right now. Soap Guys TV Millie. We need to hit 1,000 followers, man. Hit that like and subscribe, man. We could potentially be in the bull run. This is the start of something. This is the beginning of some of greatness, family. You know what I'm saying? Greatness. I didn't take a look at Crypto.com arena. Did LeBron James break that record in Crypto.com arena? Look at this, man. Should I have to say more? The man in the arena, Crypto.com arena right here, man. Congratulations to LeBron James breaking the NBA all-time leading record. Do you know how monumental? This didn't happen in Staples Center, family. This happened in Crypto.com arena. This right here, this picture right here. Remember this picture. Remember this picture where when all the haters and all the FUD and all them negative people, remember this picture right here. LeBron James standing in Crypto.com arena. Shout out to the NBA for not giving up on crypto, man. NFL, y'all skeptical. Y'all skeptical for banning the ad. But guess what? We don't need y'all ads. We got the World Cup. We got Formula One. We got UFC. It would be nice to have NFL. But we don't need the NFL. Congrats to my boy Bron, man. Is Bron the GOAT? We got any Bron fans in here? Is LeBron James the GOAT? Or is Michael Jordan the GOAT? Local Liquid, what it do? Tectonic is gonna be huge. Yeah, man. It bothers me, man. So many people in the Tectonic, so many influencers, YouTubers, right? They so quick to say, oh, what they don't like about Tectonic. It's just like, what are you talking about, man? What are you talking about, man? You can't say what you don't like about a project, and then the projects you do shill are ass. Come on, man. It just don't make sense. It don't make sense. In fact, I feel like a lot of these YouTubers, man, these YouTuber influencers on crypto, they need to do a little bit more research before they even speak on projects. Before you say something bad about a project, do your own research, man. It just really grinds my gears, man, because, you know, for instance, Terra Luna Classic. Wonderful project. Love what Terra Luna Classic is working to do. Like I said, I don't even touch Terra Luna Classic. I got a little moon bag. I've been took my profits. This is what it is. If it blows up, it blows up. But people be talking about Terra Luna Classic like it didn't it didn't rug people of billions of dollars. Like, yes, a lot of people made money from it, but It rugged people billions of dollars. People lost their life because of Terra Luna Classic. People was pulling up the Do Kwon house, right? And these Terra Luna influencers, they act like it never happened. They act like it never happened, right? And then they get up here and say, oh, well, Tectonic this and Tectonic that. It's like, come on, bro. Like, promoting a project where people lost billions of dollars. Millions in some case. Millions and billions. So, I just don't understand the Tectonic hate, man. I don't understand the Tectonic hate. I don't think people understand how lending protocols work or how just crypto project currencies work. Just because it has a little bit of dilution or just because it has a little bit of inflation, that doesn't mean that it's a bad project. I mean, y'all want these projects to invest. Y'all want these projects to develop. Y'all want these projects to execute. Y'all want these projects to do this, do that. But then y'all don't want the project to reinvest into the project. How do you think the project is going to deliver some of these products if they don't reinvest into it? So sometimes I think we put too much into, the fully dollar, come on, man. You feel me? It's all about being a man of your word. To these people who are behind these projects, these founders, these devs, do what you say you're gonna do. Treat the people right. Treat the people right. That was my biggest problem with Terra Luna Classic. It was like the developers was begging the community for money. It's like, man, just go to work. If you go to work and you show your value, people will invest into you. But remember this picture here, man. Crypto.com arena congratulating LeBron James, NBA all-time leading story. Yes, this happened in Crypto.com arena. Yes, the Grammys, family, the Grammys happened in Crypto.com arena. Shout out to Bron, man. I didn't even know Bron was rocking a bald head. He really out there like MJ now. That was it. You see the Crypto.com logo? That meant a lot to Bron, man. Shout out to you, Bron, man. Shout out to you. Shout out, bro. That's what's up, man. Even more beautiful, it happened in Crypto.com arena, y'all. So, we got a moment that will never be forgotten going on for Crow. You know how much moments will never be forgotten going on for Crow? No other exchange can even come close to marketing that Chronos does. No other exchange. That picture that I showed y'all, that moment right there with LeBron scoring that bucket will be remembered forever. And it happened, family, in Crypto.com arena. Do you think it's possible to turn 5 billion Tectonic into 500K? I don't know. Let's see what we got to do that. Let's screen over here the coin perspective. The coin perspective. If projects like these little websites like this, if they came out with a crypto project, it would go parabolic. Because everybody uses this. Tectonic. Right. You said, what are you trying to do? Tech turn 500K. So how many Tectonic we gonna 5 billion. You trying to turn it into 500K? Well, at a $1 billion market cap, you're already looking at 48,000. So you definitely needed to be higher than $1 billion market cap. So let's see. What can we compare this to? Ethereum market cap, you'll be a millionaire. At Ethereum market cap, which is 200 billion, you'll be a millionaire. That's a little too much. Cardano. All right, so here we go. Perfect example. We found one. All right. So Hem Life 05. This is the U, right? You got 5 billion tonic tokens. You need Tectonic to go to a $13 billion market cap. So right around what Cardano is, your 5 billion tokens, which is worth $1,000, would then be worth 540,000. I'm pretty sure that's what you was looking for. All right. So in order for Tectonic to turn your $1,000 into 500,000, Tectonic would have to hit a basically a 14 billion market cap, 13.9. So there you have it. Now the question is, do you think Tectonic can hit a $13 billion market cap? That's tough. That's rough. I like to be a little bit realistic, so that's why I say 1 billion. But I don't know, family. 13 billion. That's about a 514x from here. Depends on how long you plan on holding it, man. If you plan on holding this thing for 5-10 years and you think like crypto is just gonna have this super blow off top and Bitcoin's gonna go to $1 million and this and that, then maybe we get Tectonic to a $13 billion market cap. But that's 13 billion. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. And with the tokenomics Tonic have, you gotta understand that, you gotta wonder what the developers would do as far as like inflation, minting, token schedule. You would just have to wonder. But let's say a whole bunch of people start using this product here. A whole bunch of people start lending, borrowing, vaulting, staking. Then maybe this utility can create a use case where Tectonic can reach an upside of 514x. Shout out to the person that subscribed, man. You are the real MVP. Appreciate y'all. So yeah, we'll just have to see, man. All right, so that's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. I gotta get ready for this meeting, man. I appreciate everybody that showed up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Go check out the links. If you was part of the Patreon, you got in on some of this bear market money, baby. Opportunity is here. Check out the links, man. We got a lot of stuff going on in crypto. We talked about Algorand and what they're doing in India. We talked about Hbar and their partnerships with Dell, IBM, Google, and all the tech giants. We talk about the adoption that's going on in Africa right now with Bitcoin, crypto adoption. We're seeing adoption everywhere. We're seeing the Black Rocks talk about how tokenization is the future. So if you were wondering if you were late, family, no, family, you are still early. And yes, this is a opportunity to eventually, family, create generational wealth. Not financial advice, but you got to do your research. You got to be prepared for every narrative. You got to be prepared for the downside, and you got to weigh out your risk. Never invest what you are afraid to lose. Want you guys to remember that important factor. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Appreciate everybody that showed up to the live stream. Leave a comment if you just watched this live stream. I'd love to know you guys opinion on the current crypto state, and maybe we start going live again more often, man. Like I said, more people support it, the more it'll make me want to just continue to go harder as far as the live. Y'all let me know.